Hello everyone, take a tour of our CNC Sample Room, seat focus material stress. Aluminum alloy component, lightweight with micro-diverse precision, meeting global height and equipment needs. Stainless steel part, corrosion and wear resistant, perfect for international industry application. Brass component, excellent conductivity, thermal conductivity, zero deviation through support for global electrical use. Bracket part, customizable meeting international certification, heat and aging resistant for different use. From metal to plastic, one-stop global CNC solution. Welcome to inquire with your drawings. Thank you.